Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, I will be using something new for washing the engine, which I always do before making a YouTube video. Most of the time it's just a dust and road grime, so it needs something light, fast cleaning solution. I always used gunk cleaners if I had an engine that not been cleaned for a long time. But this time I will be using simple greens, which I can use this bottle for many engine washes. Make sure the engine cold to touch before doing anything. So with the simple greens, we will need 3 different size brushes and some microfiber towels. It also mentions for heavy duty cleaning, diluted with water 1:1 ratio. So I will be spraying on a wet surface to give us maximum cleaning. Gloves will be important because I will be using the simple green concentrated as it is. Garden hose will be enough for this application and it's even safer. Washing engine without disconnecting battery terminals is not safe for every old car, but I always check my car's wire harnesses for any damages, so I'm sure about my car's wire conditions and not have any exposed wire or any damaged wire. What I like about this spray, you can mix it with air and make it foamy. After agitating with brush, I'm not gonna leave it on, so I'm just gonna rinse it off. Now we are done washing it. We're gonna dry it with microfiber towel and check the result. After drying it, I'm not gonna put anything on the plastic like a plastic restorer. I wanna see how it looks just by using simple green. But when I was using gunk engine cleaners, it was making the plastics pop a bit and gave them a shiny look. So here's how it looks now just by using simple green and rinsing with water. And don't forget to agitate it for better penetration. This will be my go-to engine cleaning before making any video. I've seen people using simple green for cleaning jewelry pieces or a car part, so I'm not sure how good it will be until I do it myself. Soon I will be testing simple green with ultrasonic cleaner for cleaning PCV valve or fuel injectors, so we will see how good it is for removing carbon buildup. Hope you guys found the video useful and learned something new. If it was, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.